Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best patio cooler is probably one of the most versatile additions to any outdoor gathering, keeping your beverages ice cold and readily accessible for everyone to enjoy. Imagine hosting a backyard barbecue, a pool party, or simply relaxing on your deck, with refreshing drinks always within arm's reach, eliminating the need for constant trips back into the house. This isn't just a cooler, it's a central hub for refreshment, designed to enhance your outdoor living experience and ensure your guests are always well hydrated and happy, making every occasion more enjoyable and convenient. Number 5. Best Choice Products 80 Quart Rolling Cooler Cart. Take your refreshments anywhere with this mobile cart. Its sturdy steel stand and 4 wheels allow for easy transport, while built-in locks ensure stability wherever you set it up. Never worry about running out of space. This cooler boasts an impressive 80 quart capacity, perfect for holding up to 50 bottles or 70 cans, plus plenty of food. Keep everything you need within reach. The integrated storage shelf is ideal for holding your favorite beverages, mixing tools, or any other essentials you want close by. Effortlessly serve your guests with the convenient built-in bottle opener. It even comes with a matching disposal bin, making it a complete drink station. Say goodbye to messy cleanups. The smart drainage system makes emptying and refilling a breeze, so you can quickly swap out melted ice for fresh. Whether it's a backyard barbecue or a party, this cooler is designed for convenience and capacity. Its thoughtful features ensure your drinks stay cold and accessible. What we like. This cooler offers excellent mobility with its steel stand and locking wheels. Its high capacity ensures you can stock up for any gathering. If you're looking for a robust and functional cooler that's easy to move around your patio or deck, this is a great choice. What people say. The cooler has a sturdy construction and keeps ice for up to 3 days. It rolls smoothly on different surfaces, making it easy to move around. The built-in bottle opener is a convenient feature. Number 4. 80 Quart Rolling Cooler Ice Chest Cart. Introducing our large capacity rolling cooler, perfect for any gathering. It holds over 70 cans or 50 bottles, making it ideal for all your indoor and outdoor events. Engineered with advanced insulation, this cooler keeps your beverages ice cold for days. Its robust construction ensures maximum cold retention, no matter the weather. Enjoy easy access with a fully removable hinged lid and a convenient bottom shelf for extra storage. It even comes with a built-in bottle opener and cap catch tray. Crafted with a durable and stylish all-weather woven rattan surface, it seamlessly blends with your patio furniture. This cooler is built to last and look great. Move it anywhere with ease thanks to 4 multi-directional rolling wheels and 2 sturdy handles. Plus, the locking brake system keeps it securely in place when needed. What we like. This option boasts a stylish faux rattan wicker finish that blends beautifully with outdoor furniture. It keeps drinks cold for days, perfect for extended events. If you prioritize aesthetics and long-lasting cooling performance for your patio parties, this cooler is an excellent pick. What people say. The cooler is very sturdy and well-built, with a durable metal construction that feels like it will last for years. It keeps ice frozen for up to 3 days, even in hot weather, which is impressive for a cooler of this size. The wheels are large and rugged, making it easy to roll over uneven terrain like grass and gravel without tipping over. Number 3. YITAHOME 80 Quart Rolling Cooler Cart. Introducing our rolling cooler cart, designed for ultimate convenience. With 360-degree swivel casters, moving it around is a breeze. 2 lockable wheels ensure it stays put when you need it to. This cooler boasts exceptional insulation, keeping your beverages cool for up to 48 hours. Its robust construction ensures your drinks stay at the ideal temperature, no matter the weather. Never worry about running out of space again. This cooler can hold over 100 cans or 55 bottles, perfect for any gathering. Plus, a bottom shelf offers extra storage for your essentials. Enjoy added functionality with a built-in bottle opener and cap catcher. The easy access lid makes serving drinks effortless, transforming it into your go-to beverage station. Cleanup is a snap thanks to the convenient drain plug. The detachable lid design allows for easy emptying and thorough cleaning, so it's always ready for your next event. What we like. Experience superior maneuverability with its four 360-degree swivel casters, making it incredibly easy to position. It maintains coolness for an impressive 48 hours, ideal for long celebrations. If you need a cooler that's exceptionally easy to move and keeps beverages chilled for extended periods, this one is a top contender. What people say. The cooler is very sturdy and well built. It keeps ice for a long time, even in hot weather. The wheels make it easy to move around. Number 2. YITAHOME 80 Quart Rolling Cooler Cart. Introducing the YITAHOME 80 Quart Rolling Cooler Cart. Effortlessly move your party from place to place with its 360-degree swivel casters, and keep it stable with lockable wheels. This cooler is designed to maintain optimal temperatures. It keeps your beverages cool for up to 48 hours, ensuring refreshment throughout your event. With an 80-quart capacity, it can hold over 100 cans or 55 bottles. It's perfect for large parties, BBQs, or any outdoor gathering, with extra storage on the bottom shelf. Enjoy the convenience of a built-in bottle opener and cap catcher. The easy-access lid handle makes serving a breeze, creating a complete beverage station. Cleanup is a snap thanks to the convenient drain plug and the fully detachable, split-hinged lid. Emptying water and cleaning are made incredibly easy. What we like. This cooler offers exceptional mobility thanks to its four 360-degree swivel casters, allowing for effortless repositioning. It boasts an impressive 48-hour cooling capability, ensuring your drinks stay frosty throughout any event. If you're hosting a large gathering and need a cooler that's both easy to move and provides long-lasting cold, this is the one for you. What people say. It keeps drinks cold for a long time. The wheels make it easy to move around. The lid seals well and keeps the ice from melting too quickly. Number 1. 80 Quart Rolling Ice Chest Cooler Cart. Crafted from solid, all-welded steel, this cooler is built to last with a durable powder-coated finish that's easy to clean. Navigate your outdoor space with ease thanks to four 360-degree rotating wheels. Lock them in place when you're ready to serve. Keep plenty of ice and your favorite drinks chilled inside its large, insulated interior. It's perfect for backyard gatherings or poolside relaxation. Enjoy the convenience of an attached bottle opener and cap catcher. Draining and cleaning are simple with the rear plug, and the bottom shelf offers extra storage. Elevate your outdoor entertaining. This versatile cooler cart is ideal for patios, decks, and any party occasion, from BBQs to dinner parties. What we like. Constructed with solid all-welded steel and a durable powder-coated finish, this cooler is built to last. Its multi-directional wheels offer great portability. If you're searching for a heavy-duty, easy-to-clean cooler that can withstand frequent use and move with ease, this versatile cart is a fantastic choice for your outdoor entertaining. What people say. The cooler is well built and keeps ice for up to 3 days. Easy to assemble and the wheels roll smoothly over uneven surfaces. The built-in bottle opener is a convenient feature. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.